We got something new here on our channel, and it's the UGREEN 100 watts of pure power GAN fast charger. And it's really something welcoming, especially for those devices that are charging really fast. And we'll be testing it out on our channel today and see how fast it can go. So together with it, we have here the Type C to Type C cable, which is, of course, should go hand in hand with this one. So let's go. Hi guys, it's me Richmond of Gadget, Sidekick, and welcome back to my channel. So we have here the latest fast charger from UGREEN, and I'm really excited. And I know that there's a lot of devices these days which support fast charging. Of course, not to mention those laptops that are USB Type-C ready. It's really something that you should have on your backpack, or whenever you travel, or whenever, even at home. It's really something that you really need once you have all those devices. And yeah, we can see that it's a little bit heavy. So you can see it's 100 watts. Really, it's just something of pure power. And we have 4 ports over here: USB Type A, USB Type C, 1, 2, 3 ports, and of course we have our plug over here, and yeah, just some certification over here, and nothing else. So let's see if we have some sort of a cable inside. No, we don't have. It's sold separately. So we have the manual over here, and separated is, of course, the charging cable. So we have a Type C cable here, C to C, wherein it's gonna give us really some fast charging, depending on your device, if you can input. So next thing to do is, of course, call out my trusty watt meter. So we'll be able to test if how fast this charging brick gives us. And of course, yeah, this is of course our catalog: 100 watts of fast charging speed. It says that it can charge 2 hours, 100% for MacBook Pro. And yeah, there's 3 type of plug available: US, EU, and UK. So right now, I have here my Mix 4. And Xiaomi Mix 4 is known to intake 120 watts of fast charging. So we'll try it on this charging brick. And let me get my extension cord. So I have here my extension cord. Let's just simply plug this in, turn on the power, put it to watts. Okay, so you see it's W, it's watts. Next is to plug in this one, the fast GAN charger from UGREEN. And of course, trying this one on. We'll be using port 1 and see if it can give us that speed that we are looking for, or at the very least somewhere near. Okay, so right now, calling out my Mix 4, which can support up to 120 hertz of which can support up to 120 watts of fast charging. So plugging it in. Let's see, it's quick charge. So you can see that it's just hovering around somewhere 30s, 31, 33. It's not getting over 30 plus based on my testing over here. So yeah, I know that these chargers are device specific. So you need to use a Xiaomi charger in order to be able to get that fast charging speed from this one. But nevertheless, I know that this one can charge stuff like laptops, like Huawei MateBook series, those running on USB Type C port. So it's really going to come in handy. So you can charge at least the 30 watts device together using these 3 ports. Okay, then add another one, so probably can total up to 100 watts. So let's just try to get myself some other cables and see if it can give us that speed. Okay, right now we're going to move on to our next experiment, which is to charge using all four ports here, wherein there's the 3 USB Type-C port and 1 USB Type-A, wherein the Type-A would go to an iPhone. So plugging into our first device. So it's charging. Next, we'll put it to our Mi Mix 4, which can take in 120. Okay, so it's also charging. Plug in our third device, which is here, Mi 11 Ultra. Guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course click that bell icon so you don't miss any future videos here from my channel. So if you want to know where I bought this one, I'll drop it in the description box below. And I hope to see you on the next one. Okay, so it's charging. So everything here is already charging. And we're just hovering around 70 plus. And a while ago, it just picked up to 80 plus. So yeah, the wattage seems to me it can pick up to 100 once all these devices are a little bit below 50%. But these devices of mine are still has a lot of energy, so a lot of battery. So yeah, it will be trickle charging, which of course definitely is lower than usual. So yeah, this is our experiment for the UGREEN 100 watts of GAN charging, which is giving us a fast GAN charger. Yeah, having to test all ports over here, reaching a max of 80 a while ago, and hovering right now at around 75 is, yeah, pretty nice result that we have gathered here with this charging brick.